Now, someone asked me a question. They said, didn't we used to be able to point the watch at the sun and work out which way was north? Well, yeah, you can. It's quite easy. You only use the hour hand and the 12. I mean, we're coming up to 5 to 12 anyway, so if you point the hour hand at the sun, the angle between the hour hand and the 12 will give you south, pretty much. So we can point our hour hand at the sun, and don't forget it's on 12 already, so that'll give us south. Okay, so north is that way. Now I know magnetic north is actually that way, but we're not far off. We're going in the right direction, more or less. That's a really simple way of finding, and obviously if it's at 2, for example, you'd point the hour hand at the sun, and then the angle between the 2 and the 12 will give you south, and it will move around. So yeah, it's a very simple way of finding out your direction by using the wristwatch here. But if I was going to build a big stone circle as a calendar to work out the days and the months of the year and the time, I would need to orientate everything to true north, not to magnetic north. And you would do that on a flat plane like Stonehenge. It's flat. You can see as much of the sky as possible in all directions. Or people did it on top of hills. They said, oh, it was a hill fort. Well, it might not have been a hill fort. It might have been a calendar, a compass for studying the stars, because on top of a hill is a good place to study the sky. No other reason for people to be on the top of hills, is there really? Unless it's a fort. Today, in today's world, of course, it'd be a landing zone, wouldn't it? The Americans used to put an LZ on top of a hill and build themselves a perimeter, because it was a good place to defend and they could get in and out with helicopters. But I'm assuming they didn't have helicopters in Neolithic days.